Hi everyone and welcome here. Today I wanted to talk about that topic of hesitate or resistant. Which you are? Are you hesitating to achieve your dreams or goals and aims in your life, or you are just resistant and you're saying no? I need time, I need to find the perfect time and space and opportunity to achieve my dreams and goals. So I'm not ready yet. I'm a resilient. Which you are? Where you stepping right here, right now? I want you, wherever you are, right here, right now, take a step back. Take with me a big deep breath. Inhale it with your nose and exhale it your mouth. Let's start it together, shall we? Inhale it now. And exhale. Sorry about that, but already a minute is gone in our life. Right here, right now. How easy it was just to see what I have to say, that question what I just asked from you. Why are you still hesitate to achieve your dreams and your wishes in your life? Why you are resilient, and moreover, why you stopping yourself to be happy, to feel fulfilled, to achieve all those things what you aiming such a long time ago? Why you just don't want to step out from your comfort zone and say to yourself, you know what? I don't have nothing to lose and I have everything right here, right now to achieve and to be and build my life and forward my life in a way how I want it. I am healthy. I have where to sleep. I have a roof top of my head. I have food. I have all my body parts which I have to use by searching or applying or studying or whatsoever. You have all the abilities and opportunities to create a better life. Therefore, what I want from you right here, right now, to grab a paper and a pen, or just get to your journal, open it up, and write down everything what you want to achieve in your life. I want you to be honest and so deeply allowing from your core to achievely write it down, everything what you want in your life. In audition, you're gonna face it yourself a bit challenging. You're gonna say like, oh, come on, it's too big. I don't think so. I'm gonna achieve that, which is good. Go to my channel, check all my mindfulness sessions, what I've done until now. It's gonna allow you to deeply tune into your mind. Release all those judgmental thoughts, what you get from other people and what you have within you, and that will allow you to be your authentic self. It will allow you to be your honest, true self, and finally get to that point when you don't give a damn about nothing more, just your life. Because when you are happy, when you are smiling, you're gonna give and share so many joyness and happiness, emotions, vibes to other people. When we are happy, we're helping other people like this, isn't it? Is that right? Yeah? I want you today, from now on, you focusing on your happiness, and shall be it. See you very soon, and thank you so much for staying here and being here with me. And if you would like to follow and receiving similar type of topic conversations, then hit the subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye everyone.